वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
The story is the race of Ganesha and Kartikeya. Long ago, Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati had two sons, Kartikeya, who was brave and fast, and Ganesha, who was wise and thoughtful. One bright day, little brothers Ganesha and Kartikeya were playing together. As they played, they found a beautiful shining fruit hanging on a tree. Ganesha said,
"Look, brother, a golden fruit."
Kartikeya said,
"Wow, let's take it."
Kartikeya and Ganesha rushed to get it. In no time, a fight broke out between the two. Both wanted to eat the fruit. Ganesha and Kartikeya started arguing.
"I want the fruit." "No, I want the fruit." "I saw it first, it's mine." "No, I touched it first, it's mine." "No, it's mine." "No, it's mine."
After arguing for some time, they decided to go to their parents, Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati. Ganesha and Kartikeya, together pointing to the fruit, said,
"Mata, Pita, who do you think the fruit will go to?"
Shiva, looking at the fruit, said,
"This is no ordinary fruit, my sons. This is the fruit which will grant you immense knowledge and wisdom."
Parvati looked and said,
"Then we should divide the fruit and give it to both of them."
Shiva seriously thought about it and then said,
"No, Parvati, one must consume the fruit whole. Only the true bearer of the fruit, if consumes it, get the benefit of the fruit."
To solve the matter, Shiva called the wise sage Naradji. Naradji came.
Narayan, Narayan. Goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva, how may I help you?
Parvati ji explained everything to Naradji. He thought for a while and then came up with an idea. While smiling, Naradji said,
I have an idea. Let's keep a race. Both the brothers will go around the universe 3 times, and whoever reaches Kailash first will be considered the winner and will get the fruit.
Kartikeya got excited. He said,
Ha! That's easy thing for me, since I have my Vahan, which is a peacock. I can fly fast.
Kartikeya quickly jumped on his peacock and zoomed away. But little Ganesha had a problem. His vehicle was a small mouse. The mouse could not run fast or fly. He thought for a while, then smiled. He joined his hands and with love and devotion in his heart, started to take rounds of his parents. Once he had taken 3 rounds around his parents, he stopped. He said,
Mata, Pita, I have completed 3 rounds of the universe. Can I get the fruit now?
he stood there confused. Parvati Mata said,
My son, how can you say that you've taken 3 rounds of the universe when you never left Kailash even?
Ganesha replied smilingly,
Mata, Pita, in our Puranas and Vedas, it is clearly mentioned that the universe lies in the feet of your parents. You both are my parents and hence my universe. So by taking 3 rounds around you, I have taken 3 rounds of the universe and hence I deserve the fruit.
Everybody was amazed at the little child's wisdom. Soon Kartikeya also came back, completing 3 rounds of the universe. Shiva smiled at his son, Ganesha, and gave him the fruit.
My son, you have shown true wisdom. The fruit of knowledge belongs to you. With your love and knowledge, you have proven that wit and knowledge are more important than speed or valor.
Kartikeya was also surprised, even though he was the fastest, it was Ganesha who had won because of his intelligence and luck. He also accepted Ganesha's win graciously. So children, the moral of the story is that speed is good, but wisdom and respect for parents is even greater. We should think smart, not just fast. Thank you so much.